It's actually a common misconception that the popping noises that we hear when we crack our back is actually from the bones rubbing on each other. But in fact, these noises are actually made from the movement of gas bubbles within the joint. While cracking our back is not known to be associated with any arthritis or early aging, I still recommend that we refrain from developing this habit. Many of my patients I've seen have actually sprained their back by contorting themselves into weird positions or the violent actions that are required to achieve the crack. If you're constantly needing to crack your back to feel some form of pain relief, there may be an underlying issue, and I think it's best to see a spine surgeon for further investigations.